Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset the Schlage Keypad lock without programming code in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by opening the inside portion of the Schlage Keypad lock and removing the battery cover. Now, on most of the Schlage models, you will see the battery pack connected near the top of the lock assembly. So before resetting, you just have to make sure that the batteries still have enough power, because the weak batteries can interrupt the reset process. Now you just have to disconnect the battery connector from the lock completely. Once it is disconnected, you just have to simply press and hold the Schlage button on the keypad for a few times to clear any remaining power stored inside the system. Now next come the important part. You need to reconnect the battery and immediately press and hold the Schlage button on the keypad until the lock beeps and the indicator light flashes green. So this usually takes several seconds. Once the light changes and the lock responds, the factory reset process is now completed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.